Maya pabengi po kay kayo. We're down to our final game for today after the 5 grueling games dito po sa ating Delta Cup 2023. Ako po ang lingkod muli, Ryan Paro. This time it will be Porac against LUBAO. And we hope we enjoy this broadcast dahil doon sa 5 laro na ating natunghayan, 3 of the 5 are very, very close. Nandito po tayo exactly sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga, the gateway of Central Luzon. At nakikita natin sa labas maraming mga tinatawag na mga giant lanterns there in preparation for the season. But first, let's get into business. LUBAO and Porac both debuting. Let's see who wins. Let's turn it over now to our venue announcer for the starters for both squads. Alright mga kaibigan, ito na po ang 5 sa Porac, Tabuki, Vasquez, Cruz, Rodriguez. Para man sa LUBAO, Pangan de la Cruz, number 22. At yung magja-jump ngayon, number 14 and number 17. LUBAO wearing in white and Porac wearing in green. And this is our final game, main game of our 6-game affair dito po sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center for the continuing coverage of your Delta Cup 2023, the Pampanga Municipalities-Cities Intertown Basketball Tournament. This is presented by no less the Pampanga Governor Dennis Denta Pineda and the Provincial Government of Pampanga. Live na live po tayo sa Pampanga Public Information Office Facebook page as we see a traveling error, and likewise at the Facebook and YouTube channel of Sinag Liga Asia. At kasalukuyan din na ginagawa ang Sinag Liga Asia Lakas 40. Tomorrow, nabanggit ko na kanina yung mga ISAA games. We'll see you then. In the meantime, mintis ang Porac on those inside incursions. De la Cruz from the right wing. Tumina ng 3-point shot. Hindi pumasok. Pangan turns around, drills it. So that's Pangan of LUBAO. 2-0 is the count. 50 seconds gone by sa ating first quarter. Oy, init siya na lang bola. Hindi pumasok. LUBAO now with the possession. Free throw shot rejected by Vasquez. Vasquez has it. Fast break opportunity completed by Vasquez. So si Vasquez maliksi at mabilis. Turnaround by Delfino. De Leon clears the board for Porac. 3-point shot. Wala. Put back by Vasquez. Second straight field goal for Vasquez. For 2 is our tally. Pangan spots. Umalog. And of course, patiin natin yung mga Banayat family na nanonood. Si Kervin Banayat, Andrea Nicole Banayat, and Kendria Elise Banayat. Salamat sa panonood ninyo ng Delta Cup. In the meantime, the big guy De Leon draws a foul from someone. And that's number 14 player who was the culprit. And De Leon will trip to the line for 2 free throws. Okay, recap natin ang mga scores mga kaibigan. For those people who just missed those 5 games that we have today. First game won by Santa Ana over Masantol, 76-69. Second game, Mexico winning over Apalit, 85-81. Minalin upsetting Candaba, 65-64. San Simon winning over Santa Rita, 89-72. As we see the layup converted by Delfino. And last game, just recently, for the Blanca, winning over Santo Tomas, 64-60. Ganun po kadikit ang mga laban natin dito sa Delta Cup. In the meantime, we have a foul. Second personal foul na ng number 14 player ng LUBAO. Free throws na. At pumasok para kay number 6 player ng Porac, that's Rodriguez. One more free throw for Rodriguez. They're wearing green jerseys para sa Porac. Nakaputi naman in light blue para sa LUBAO. By the way, trivia lang sa LUBAO. Diyan po pinanganak ang atom bomb ng Philippine basketball, si Ato Agustin, and also the former president of the Republic of the Philippines, Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo. Bailiwick niya yung LUBAO, Pampanga. 7-4. Porac up by 3. Delfino nagipit. At si De Leon ang tinawagan ng foul para sa Porac. First personal De Leon. First team foul for Porac. LUBAO meron ng 2 team fouls. Delfino from the corner, wala. High the rebound is this big guy De Leon, pero kanyang pasa na antala. There's a counter steal. Lob pass. Up fake. Cruz converts. Delfino. Triple team. They swing it around. Left. Quarter court 3. Wala. Put back. Ayaw. Another foul. Give it up by De Leon probably. Yes, sir. Pakalawang foul kagad. Itong si big guy De Leon. Both teams had 2 team fouls apiece. 9-4. BAYUNG PORAC up by 5 now. And Pangan will try to slash that lead, pero hindi pumasok on yung free throw attempt. One more free throw. Ayaw. De Leon, last touch. It will stay with LUBAO. And upo muna si De Leon with the 2 early fouls. 7:03 in the first quarter. Turnover. Rodriguez. Stumble upon. Finds an open guy underneath. He failed to cash in that point blank range shot. Nakaagaw si Cruz. 4 to break. Cruz extricates. Can deliver. Tip in. Wala pa rin. Rodriguez once more. At walang magawa doon si Delfino, kundi itaas ang kamay at i-admit na siya ay foul. Pangatlong team foul na yan para sa LUBAO. 2 pa lamang para sa Porac. And Rodriguez will trip to the line to 2 more free throws. So, pumasok ang una. 10 points now for Porac. Paapat pa lamang sa LUBAO. Our final game of our 6-game affair tonight. Dito po sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center, the capital city of Pampanga, San Fernando City. 2 free throws made. The lead is now 7, 11-4. 6:37 remaining in the first quarter. Number 17 nagtitimon. Matras muna. Delfino was fouled from 3-point country. So 3 free throws yan para kay Delfino. At si Canlas ang natawagan ng foul. That's his first personal. And 3 team fouls na rin ng Porac. 3 free throws yan para kay Delfino. The first is good. Two more for Delfino. Malakas ang kanyang pangalawang free throw. Two of 3 for Delfino. The lead is 5 for Porac. 6:25 first quarter. Cruz launches a 3. Bitin. Delfino pushing the ball up para sa LUBAO. Drives hard. Look at that glide to the basket. Pero may foul.
Foul number 30, into the arm. Shot number 30, second personal foul.
Canlas ang tinawagan ng foul. That's his second personal.
Warning for penalty.
At meron ng 14 fouls ang Porac.
30 out.
Pumuna si Canlas.
Canlas in.
Papasok si number 19 ng Porac. As Delfino will trip to the line for 2 more shots. Made sure on that one. Baba sa 4 ang bante ng Porac. Delfino takes a deep breath. 2 for 2 for Delfino that time. (11 to 8). Turingan, Cruz on the left wing. One dribble. Bigay kay Turingan, tumira ng 3-point shot. Malakas, rebound. May foul. At si number 6 player ng LUBAO ang tinawagan. Early timeout by LUBAO. Low scoring, foul baited first quarter. We will be right back. Lamang po ang Porac ng 3 puntos. 11 to 8. Just 4 seconds under the 6-minute mark sa ating first quarter. Ako po yung lingkod, Ryan Paro, doing the 6th game of 6. Our main game for tonight. Day 2 of competition ng ating Delta Cup 2023. Maraming salamat of course kay Governor Dennis Delta Pineda for allowing me. And Rodriguez drills a 3-point shot. Balik sa 6 mga bante ng Porac. 14-8. 5:44 remaining sa ating first quarter. Gustong sumagot. Hindi pumasok ang tira. Kind of fast break. Nice dish by Rodriguez, finding an open guy. (16-8) now is the count. Nakita niya si Canlas. Masyado malakas ang 3-point attempt. There's a foul on number 6.
Number 6, second personal foul. Substitution.
So, second foul on number 6.
Against foul. Pangalaw.
16-8 ang ating talaan. Tubagi. Corner flip. Rims out. Takbo na ngayon ng LUBAO. Look at the hang time move by Delfino. Ho-ho! Suspension in midair in full display. Bone crunching pick. Bagsak doon si Manalang. 10 to shoot. Rodriguez can shake off his defender. Nice up fake. At may foul sa ilalim. It will be against number 29. His first personal.
Foul number 29. Into the arm. 2 shots.
Cruz will to the line for 2 free throws para sa Bayan ng Porac. 17 points now. First point for Cruz. Makes both. 18-10. Manalansan, tumina ng 3. Right quarter court, malakas. Tumangi. Cruz, corner flip. Got it.
Number 9.
4 points already for Cruz. Manalasan quickly from the baseline against 3 defenders. Pinilit. And it will be called for a traveling. (20-10) now. 4:11 remaining sa ating first quarter. Baseline, Cruz. Drives hard, nilabas. 3-point shot, Rodriguez. Ayaw. Pierce para by the rebound, won by Lubao. Delfino once again, binangga. Automatic offensive foul. Good call by referee Jong Banayat Jr. Second personal by Delfino.
Number 17.
Let's see that again in slow-mo. Ginamit ang balikat to ward off. Binangga. That's automatic offensive foul on Delfino. From the baseline, here's the jump shot. And so far, BAYUNG PORAC scoring at will from the corner. They love corners, didn't you? Canlas showing the way. 22-10. 3.5 remaining. Hop step drive, hang time move. Oh, beautiful. Manalang creating space underneath. Drops it up. Too strong that time. Caught a fast break for the bow. No choice but to foul. That will put Manalang on the free throw line. Unang foul pa lamang yan ni Cruz. Both teams in penalty.
Penalty situation.
Masusubukan dito si Manalang kung gaano siya katibay sa free throw line. Sinks it. Walang aling. Lead is chopped down to 9 points. Miss. Ball's loose. Bad scramble. Alabans will stay with LUBAO.
Number 6 out.
Upo muna si Rodriguez. Pasok si number 15 ng Porac. Corner flip from 3. Wala. Volleyball tap there by number 0. Gigante. But produced nothing. Pero swerte sila. Porac basketball. 2:54 remaining the first quarter. Jongson wants a clear out. At Lopos, muting pamitawan. 9 to shoot. Cruz spots. No. Takbo ngayon ng LUBAO. Manalansang scoring at will.
I'm out. Porac.
Porac sues for time. The lead is 7, 22-15, 2:32 in the first quarter.
Back to the podium.
2.5 minutes remaining.
Porac basketball.
Porac with a 7-point lead. You're still watching the Delta Cup live at the GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. My name is Ryan Paro, doing the 6-game coverage for tonight. Maya pabengi po kayo mga kabalen. Hope you enjoy this Sunday. Turnover by Porac. Lubao on a fast break. Ball will stay with the white shirts. Tumbangi touch it last para sa Porac. Inbound from the baseline. Loricos. Picture perfect jump shot. On top of the jump, he releases that so successfully. Alley-oop play, huh?
Number 19.
Eye in the sky. Canlas with the basket. 2 minutes remaining in the first quarter. 7-point lead for Porac. Free throw area. Bitid. Up fake. Hook shot. Nope. Third effort. Danan. Couldn't get it. Mad scramble for the loose letter. Everybody in this brother diving for the letter.
Foul. Number 11. Foul. Substitution. 11 out.
Mad scramble for the loose letter. Everybody in this brother diving for the letter.
24-17. You just saw that the last bit of action in slow-mo. And this guy from LUBAO will be tested in the free throw area. Sinks it. Lead is 6. This boat. Inside incursion. Wow. Great pass by Tucanlas, ha? Balik sa 8 ang abante ng Porac. A minute and a half remaining. First quarter. Nagpe-pressure dito ang Porac. They just crossed the 8-second line. Exactly. And a foul. Give it up by Cruz. His second personal.
Number 9. Second personal foul. Number 9.
Every foul will be a free throws for offended party. Pumuna si Cruz.
Ay in. Cruz. Out.
Fajardo will shoot with the line to shoot for 2 free throws. Tama ba? Yung Leo Awards kanina ng PBA, si Fajardo ulit MVP, 7-time MVP. I'll find out that tonight. 26-18 now. Still same score. 8-point lead for Porac. And Porac getting the breaks.
Porac basket.
With 1:12 remaining in the first quarter, lamang sila ng 8. Slow down tempo for Porac. Open shot. Right corner court. Baseball pitch. Highly anticipated. Look away pass. The glass shot didn't work. Put back inside the pinning pane. Porac is diving like there's no tomorrow, and there's a foul.
Foul. Number 10. Hit to the arm.
So Kapulong will shoot 2 on the foul line. Pangan checks back in for LUBAO. They're trailing by 8 points. Kapulong malakas. Split by Kapulong. 27-18. 44 ticks to go first quarter. Slow down tempo din ng LUBAO. Nine on the shot clock. Zip pass. Hang time move. Sabit sa kamay. Si Canlas. Only his first personal.
25.5 seconds.
2 free throws muli para sa LUBAO. Free throw now for Pangan. They're trailing by 9. That's LUBAO. Missed. 2 seconds or a second differential between the shot clock and the game clock para sa Porac. As we are about to close the first quarter of this main game. It's going to be what? Another foul?
Foul number 18.
Alright, it's number 18. Manalansan.
1.9 seconds.
First personal. Alright, medyo mabagal ang ating laro mga kaibigan dahil napakaraming fouls na tinawag. Referees are calling it tight since the second game earlier that has been so close. And since then, they never changed a thing. Miss. 12 seconds. Baseline. Labas ang bola. Thought about the 3. Decides to drive. Clobbered. 4 seconds. Enough time. Manalang drives. Manalangsang scores the basket at the buzzer. First quarter is history. 27 for Porac. 20 for LUBAO. Get ready for 30 minutes of playing time to end this day of broadcast dito sa Delta Cup. We're about to start our second quarter festivities. And again, Maya pabengi po. Mga kabalit, this is Ryan Paro for the main game for tonight. 6-game affair ng ating Delta Cup, second day of competition. Lorico lost it. Kapulong steals. Bounce pass to his teammate. Umangat. May foul sa ilalim.
Number 24, 2-shot.
It's a foul on number 24 ng LUBAO. It's the first personal, first team foul. And number 15 player, Jesante, will try his luck at the free throw line. Missed the front end. Split for Jesante. 8-point ball game. Thought about the 3. Eto na naman. Hang time move. Oh! That could have brought the house down. Delfino. Acrobatic inside, huh? It's going to be 2 more free throws for Delfino. Delfino's very, very athletic guy. Swak ang unang free throw ni Delfino. Most likely than not, Delfino is the leader of this team for LUBAO. Porac, we have a lot of players that can contribute immensely. And so far, they protected a 7-point lead para sa kanila. Split for Delfino. Nilabas ang bola. Pangan for 3, 25-footer, rattles out. Gigante with a defensive rebound. 15 to shoot. Gigante. Almost a turnover. Gigante spots. Basket counts.
Foul.
And Pangan
Basket count.
draws contact with that foul.
Pushing foul. And 1.
9-point Porac lead.
Substitution.
And we have some substitution on the floor for Porac. Rocco checks out. Three-point play opportunity for Gigante. Couldn't drill it. One team foul para sa Porac. Two team fouls para sa LUBAO. A minute gone by in the second quarter. Lorico one-handed. Sobra. It will stay in the backyard of LUBAO. They have 14 seconds on the shot clock. Kailangan ni Delfino ang katulong sa scoring. Three-point shot from the left quarter court. Wala. May foul. Pampanga will be called for his second personal foul. 13 foul na para sa LUBAO. Three-point shot. Top of the key. Bitin. Ito na si Delfino. Umatake. Delfino flies high. Dexterity in full display for Delfino. Spin move. Canlas drills a 17-footer. May panagot kagad. Here it comes again. Delfino. Back-to-back baskets, defying the defense against Canlas. 32-25. Porac with a 7-point edge. Perez, the bounce pass. Canlas converts again. So it's the battle between Canlas and Delfino as far as scoring is concerned. 15 to shoot now for LUBAO. De La Cruz thought about it. And there's a nudge.
Foul number 23. Titular.
All right, we have a foul on Capulong.
Porac.
That will be his first personal. We have a ceasefire. Nine-point Porac lead, 34-25. Time remaining now is 7:50. Garcia mag-inbound para sa LUBAO. Lorico from top of the key. Inside pass, Aquino. Butterfingers, nabitawan ng bola. Turnover. Porac basketball. Perez nagtitimon. Rodriguez from the right wing. Baseline, Rodriguez. Dish off. Oh, how he did manufacture that shot, Capulong, using his off-balance hand, off the glass. Samantala, slice and dice converted by Lorico of LUBAO. Swift retaliation for Rodriguez on the other end of the floor. Scoring pickup for both squads now. 3 minutes gone by in the second quarter. De La Cruz escape and easily get away. Back to a 9-point edge for Porac. Low post, nilabas. Capulong, 3-ball on its way. Bullseye! Timeout kagad dito ang LUBAO. Slowly but surely lumalayo ang Porac. 12-point lead. 6 minutes and 39 seconds na lamang sa ating second quarter. At ito, naka-establish na ng double-digit spread ang Porac. De La Cruz from the right wing. 20-footer on its way. Wala. Offensive rebound by LUBAO. Lorico puts it out. Kapulong. Uy, may konting nudge sa ilalim. At matatawagan ng foul. I see number 6. Aquino. That will be his third personal foul. And already the 14th foul for LUBAO as compared to 2 para sa Porac. Pumuna si Perez. Tubagi checks back in. He goes left. From the corner, Rodriguez. 13 to shoot. Layong 3-point shot ito from 25. Oh! Offensive foul. Kapulong. Kick. Delfino out of the picture. At offensive foul ang matatawagan. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Ayun. Sinipa. Kita. Good call by the refs. It is back to 12. From the baseline. Here it comes. Ito na si Delfino. Thought about the 3. Hang time move again. Oh. He has been the workhorse of LUBAO. Scoring at way up. Natabik ni Coach Leo Isaac yun. 21 on the shot clock. Backward inbound for Porac. Some pressure from the backcourt. Because the 8-second line. Rodriguez off balance. There's a foul once more by Delfino. And that's the third personal Delfino. Penalty situation now. LUBAO. So the hottest scorer for LUBAO is in foul trouble. Take a look at this.
Off balance.
Hindi natin nakita yung pinakaparang insidente. Samantala Rodriguez rattles in at the first free throw. The lead is 11 for Porac, approaching the halfway house of the second quarter. (43 to 31). Alright, pumuna si Delfino with 3 fouls. The place with him is Manalang. Spread out offense for LUBAO. They're trailing by 12, 21-43. One-handed shot. Banks it out. Put back inside the paint. Ayaw pa rin para kay Lingad. But he will take 2 with a foul against Porac.
Foul number 23.
It's a foul on Kapulong. That's his third.
Third personal foul.
So marami tayong players from both squads who in foul trouble.
Put back inside the paint. Ayaw pa rin para kay Lingad.
The lead is 12 para sa Porac. No good on those 2 free throws. Nice drive. Sneaking play. That brought the house down to Bangi. Sneaking move. That's a highlight. 45-31. Outside sniping. Can't fall into place for De La Cruz. Manalang at the right place at the right time. No stick back there, but there hold it says the ref. Meron tayong foul sa ilalim.
Zero. Foul. Substitution, zero. Second personal foul, zero. Zero out.
Gigante with his first personal. Lead is 14 for Porac. Exactly on the halfway point of this first half. 5 minutes to go. Mitis doon si Manalang.
Substitution.
Lead is down 13.
14. Number na lang kayo.
LUBAO is now pressing from the backcourt. They want to spread out to Bangi. Crosses the 8-second line. To Bangi. On the outside, Rodriguez drives. Force up the issue and score. How about that? Lead is back to 15 points for Porac. Manalang. Kick out. De La Cruz right down the base. Triple team. Hang time move. No soak. And there's a foul.
22, hit to the head. 2 shots.
Vasquez was the guilty of that foul. His first personal.
Left. 24.
All right, free throw time. Yes. And Manalang cash in. And the lead is down to 14. 47-33. 4 minutes and 13 remaining. First half. Rodriguez. Siya nagtitimon para sa Porac. Cross court. 13 to shoot. Nabulabog and ball players tied up. And Manalang and Lopez will have a jump ball. Possession arrow will stay with Porac. 11 on the shot clock. Rodriguez cuts, slice and dice, gets the bucket. Lead is back to 16, 49-33. Three ball from the corner. Got it. It's the first triple B connection for LUBAO. It's Manala. Errant pass. Taken away. Fast break for LUBAO. Bust out. Zita scores the bucket. The lead is down to 13. Okay, sabi ng ating table officials, wala tayong timeout. Tuloy ang laro. It's just a nagkaroon ng buzzer after the shot clock, tapos nag-change possession. (49-38) now. The lead is 11 for Porac. Tubangi brings down the letter for the green shirts. Tubangi nakalusot. And he was fouled.
Foul number 22. Into the arm.
Both teams in penalty, just like in the first quarter. Tubangi will shoot 2 free throws and sinks it.
Penalty situation.
12 puntos ang abante ng Porac. 3:12 remaining. Makes both. So far, Rodriguez and Canlas providing the scoring output that Porac needs. With his 13-point cushion, another missed shot there for LUBAO. Lapos gets the rebound. Fast break again. Rodriguez. Lock jam inside. Jump ball. This time possession will go back to LUBAO. Take a look at his replay.
Rodriguez.
Naipit. Si Rodriguez. Ayun.
Jam inside.
LUBAO possession arrow right now. Delfino and the rest of the white shirts. Oh! Surprise hit ni Delfino. Yan ang kailangan ng LUBAO para makabalik sa laro. Quickly to Vasquez. Bust out and score. Medyo hindi maganda ang transition defense dito ng LUBAO. Pinapayaan na lang ng LUBAO ng Porac na makatakbo. With 2:23 remaining, the lead is 12. And back-to-back 3-point bombs by Delfino. That's a 6-point cluster. Oh, this guy is wreaking havoc for the white shirts of LUBAO. Approaching the 2-minute mark, another foul given up by LUBAO.
Number 11, pushing foul.
At si Manalang ang tinawagan.
Substitution.
It's the first foul there.
18 out. De Leon in.
Manalansang out. Free throws now. Medyo bitin ang tira ni Tubangi. Again, mga kaibigan, we're about to wind up this broadcast. After this, we'll have one more half to go. And the 6-game coverage is history for the Day 2 competition ng ating Delta Cup. Exactly 2 minutes remaining in the first half. Ang layong 3-point shot ni Delfino off the glass. That's a haphazard shot. Hang time. Wala. 2 players hit the deck. Delfino busting out. Forces the issue. Draws a foul anyway. This guy has guts, that's for sure. And he has heart. He wants to single-handedly lead LUBAO to this comeback. First free throw is good. The last foul is on Vasquez, his second personal. Delfino has been the silver lining for LUBAO. Split the charities. The lead is single digit, 9 points. Anything can happen from here on in. Going to the second half. Crossover there. A little fancy. Tubangi momentarily open. Lob pass inside. Triple team. Turns around. Ayaw. And LUBAO gets back the possession.
LUBAO basketball.
Minute and 25
26 seconds.
before we call it a half. Delfino makes his move from right to left. Delfino nakalusot. Nabitawan ng bola. Rodriguez with a steal. Crossing over. Crossing it back. Drives hard. And he was walloped. And it's going to be a foul on Zita.
Second personal foul.
Second personal on Zita. Approaching 1 minute and 6 in our first semester.
Going to allow.
Canlas checks back in. Pumuna si Lopez. 2 free throws now for Rodriguez. Gets it to go. So Canlas and Rodriguez are providing the big scoring outburst as far as Porac is concerned. 2 for 2, Rodriguez. A minute remaining in the first half. 56-45. 3-point shot. Off tangent to the left. Almost a turnover. Yes, LUBAO takes the ball away. Another chance on the horizon. Hang time by Delfino. Oh boy, he is a guy who has no fear. Come what may, he will take it strong to the hole no matter what the situation comes to him. Let's see that again in slow-mo.
Another chance and it was
There you go. It's going to be a foul on number 22, Vasquez. That will be his third personal foul. And Delfino felt a little bit tired as he bungled that first free throw. The lead is 11, 56-45. Short. Tubangi quickly against De Leon. Will challenge De Leon. Hang time move. Almost made it. Back stopping for the green shirts of Porac, but he missed from 3-point region. Half a minute remaining. Malalang zip pass. Nice up fake. Oh, he lost it. Great defensive stance by Canlas. Rodriguez once again engineering a fast break. Rodriguez lays it up. Won't work. 17 seconds. Foul on the backcourt there. Frustration by Vasquez. Oh, it's the
Number 11, second personal foul. Coach, LUBAO, warning.
all right.
Continues complaining.
Bangi with his 2 fouls. And the LUBAO head coach was called for a warning for continuous complaining. As we see a free throw made. Split by De Leon. Final 13 seconds before we call it a half. That time it is an offensive foul on Tubangi. That's his 3rd personal.
Third personal foul.
So we have 2 players from Porac with 3 fouls. That's Tubangi and Capulong. For LUBAO, we have Aquino and Delfino who has 3 fouls. Final 7 seconds. Delfino, hang time. He draws a foul again.
2 shot.
And Vasquez will
22.
be a 3rd personal. Vasquez.
That time,
Oh,
it is an
no.
offensive foul on
Vasquez.
Tubangi. That's
4 fouls in the first half. Oh, that's alarming. And Delfino sinks the first. So Vasquez is in dire foul trouble. Apulong takes a deep, or Delfino takes a deep breath. He makes both. 3.6. The lead is 8. 56-48. 2 seconds ago. 1 second. Desperate heat right now. Rodriguez lets it fly offline. End of first half. 56-48. We're down to the final 20 minutes of this broadcast. Hope you enjoy it. We'll be right back for more Delta Cup, which will return. Okay, mga kaibigan, mga kabalen, again, Maya pabengi po kay kayo. And we are about to start the second half of this encounter between Porac and LUBAO as we see some highlights of the first half. Yan, nakita natin ang 3-point shot ni Rodriguez. Dribble drive, nice dish off. Nakabuslo doon si number 19 Canlas. Corner 3, pumasok doon para sa LUBAO. Ayan, si Delfino uminit ng first quarter. And let's now have the scoring. Scoring for LUBAO. Delfino, what a first half he has been. He has scored 22 markers. Manalang has 5. Para naman sa Porac, balance scoring featuring Rodriguez with 16 points, Canlas with 12, and Cruz with 6. So, kagaya na sinabi ko kanina, itong si Rodriguez and Canlas, sila ay nagtutulungan, hindi lamang sa loob, pati sa labas, at pati na rin sa depensa. Pero Delfino single-handedly the leader of this LUBAO team. The third quarter is coming up. In a couple of minutes, you're watching the 2023 Delta Cup. Back after these reminders. Alright mga kaibigan, welcome to the second half of this sixth game ng ating Pampanga Municipalities-Cities Intertown Basketball Tournament Delta Cup 2023. This is presented to you by Governor Delnis Delta Pineda and the provincial government of Pampanga. You may watch this live on our live stream platforms sa Facebook via the Pampanga Public Information Office, as we see a bucket there, and also for the live coverage of the Delta Cup via Sinag Liga Asia. My name is Ryan Baro, and we're down to the final 20 minutes or less in the playing time. LUBAO now making a run. Delfino spins the drop. No bucket there. Got a fast break for Porac. Layup is no good. Put back aside the paint. Cruz was rejected. Manalang pushing the ball up for the white shirts. Sidestep. Manalang delivers. Just like that, it is just a 4-point Porac lead. The crowd is chanting defense here. 3-point shot ang layo. Rodriguez bitin. Suddenly, the second half got sour for Porac. Delfino attacks the lane. The hang time move does not work. And there's going to be a foul on Rodriguez.
Foul number 6. Hit the arm. Number 6.
That will be the first personal on Rodriguez. First team foul for Porac. 14 on the shot clock. Manalang thought about it. Decides to drive. Almost traveled. May foul tayo sa ilalim.
Foul 0. Holding foul. Third personal foul. 0.
Gigante with his third personal. Second team foul for Porac. And they have 14 seconds on the shot clock. 3-point shot. Offline. They save it with 6 to shoot. Baseline drive. Delfino spin, starts, reverse layup. Beautiful. Oh boy. The spark plug, Delfino, the captain. Manning the ship for the journey of LUBAO in this ballgame. 3-point shot from top of the key. Answers back by Tubangi.
Warning number 9 for delay the game.
And Cruz will be slapped with a warning for delay of the game. Only a 5-point for Porac lead. Possession for LUBAO. Delfino wants to create. Couldn't pull the trigger. Manalang lost it. Fast break opportunity for the green shirts. Here it comes. Layup converted by Gigante. That's a giant slayer there. Back to a 7-point cushion by Porac. 7.5 remaining in the third quarter. Delfino launches a 3 and on a foul from 3-point country. That's a cardinal error by Gigante. Take a look at this in slow-mo. Hinabol, ayun, aray. Delfino launch. Well, it depends upon the interpretation of the referees. Delfino. 5 or 6-point cushion for Porac. 25 points for Delfino. 26. He can most likely hit 30 anytime in this game. $27 points for Delfino. .21 remaining. Porac by 6. They need to take care of that basketball well enough. Gigante outside. Tubangi, drop it up. Gigante, foul counted. What a play by Porac. Slicing and dicing. That deserves a second look, ladies and gentlemen. Second foul by Manalang. Take a look at this replay on how he creates this drive and a dish and a bucket. Foul counted. What a play by Porac. He did not complete the 3-point play. I'm talking about Gigante. The lead is 6 for Porac. Exactly 7 minutes left in the third quarter. There's a double pick for Delfino. He's open. Misses a 3-point shot. Oh, lucky break there for the big guy. All you need to do is just put it in. Number 29 player scoring. On the other end, a failure for Porac, but they still get the ball back. Corner flip 3. Too strong. And LUBAO sensing a comeback in this third quarter. Delfino wasted no time. Galloping down court! 29 points for Delfino. He's going berserk in this ball game. Drop pass inside. No bucket. Put back in rain. Great defensive stance by Manalang. Delfino lets it fly. That could have brought the house down if he made that shot. He's looking for his 30-second marker. I'm talking about Delfino.
Number 0.
And Gigante needs a breather. He's off in this third quarter. 4 minutes gone by in this third quarter. Closely fought encounter. Cruz with baseline drive. Reverse layup. Beautiful. Back to a 4-point cushion for Porac. Temporary breathing space for Porac. 5:42 left. Manalang couldn't answer back. High the rebound. It's Vasquez who has 4 fouls. And Manalang will be called for the foul. It's only his first personal foul. Or check that, second personal foul. (65-61). 5.5 remaining in the third. Porac, methodical offense. Vasquez, who has 4 fouls. Bounce pass. Nice up fake by Cruz. Again counted. 4-point cluster for Cruz. That deserves a second look, ladies and gentlemen. Dahan with 2 fouls. Take a look at this. Off the seal, off the fake. Great timing by Cruz. Again counted. Sinks it.
Number 11 now.
Manalang checks out. And the great player checks in for LUBAO. 7-point lead. Look at Delfino. He's all over the court. Gigante draws contact. Second personal.
For penalty, LUBAO. Sorry, Porac.
14 fouls now for Porac. 18 fouls for LUBAO. Delfino with 29-point production. 14 to shoot. There's a pick provided. Delfino 3-point bomb. No explosion. Cruz grabs the rebound, brings the ball for Porac, and here's Vasquez, finger roll. Despite having 4 fouls, Delfino burning down court, lost the letter. Great defensive stance by Porac. Rodriguez rejected, but there's contact upstairs. Pangan will be held with his third personal foul. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Handoff. Yes, there's a foul. Contact rejected, but there's contact upstairs. Two free throws for defendant party for Porac. Important free throws there by Rodriguez. 10-point cushion now. Remember, early in the third quarter, Porac strikes within 2. Now it's back to 10. You get a background. Tournament Commissioner Leo Siak watching. It is now an 11-point game. And LUBAO needs to talk things over. The lead is now suddenly ballooned. Timeout by LUBAO.
Okay.
5:15 left in the third quarter. Big question mark for LUBAO. Can they come back from this 11-point deficit? Delfino is all over the place, 29 points, but you can see the output of Porac evenly distributed to some players. But Delfino wants to single-handedly take this franchise to a comeback. Manalang, 3-point shot. Nope. High the rebound, Rodriguez. Galpin downcourts to Bangi. Step on the brakes. Rodriguez, bang. And tackled. And Manalang gives up a foul. That's the third personal.
Foul number 6. Third personal foul by number 6.
Well, tips and penalty. Take a look at this replay. Yun. Tinakel. At dalawang free throws dyan para kay Rodriguez. The lead is 11 for Porac. Both teams in penalty.
Penalty, both team. Penalty, both team.
Ayan, nirecognize ng referee. Dalawang free throws yan. For every foul.
Substitution.
Okay, check-in na para sa LUBAO si number 10, Lorico. And here's Rodriguez, one of the supporting cast of Porac. Or he's the go-to guy, rather. Makes the first. And he has 18 points. He scored one field goal. No. Split. 12-point Porac lead. 20 on the shot clock, Lorico. Delfino from the corner. He's beginning to miss. Fast break opportunity. Sidestep beauty. Wow, Tubangi suddenly exploding with 3 baskets in the second half. 4.5 minutes. Off balance shot. No soak. And Porac is up and running. And this time Tubangi will be called for traveling.
Number 6 out.
All right. Aquino checks out. And Sita will check in for LUBAO. Down by 14 points. 4:20 remaining in the third quarter. Lorico setting up the table for the white shirts. 15 on the shot clock. Batted away. Steal. Gigantes scoring at will. Beautiful play. Outsmarting Delfino completely. He's been a giant slayer, De La Cruz. He was fouled.
Foul number 6.
Number 6 player of Porac by Rodriguez. Can we take a look direct at that last steal?
Both team are penalty situation.
That's prolific play there by Rodriguez. Or Gigante rather. But anyway, missed shot by De La Cruz. Muffed. For LUBAO's cost. It is 14. 13 points. Or 15 points rather. 72 to 67. 3:53 remaining. I don't know why the clock's not running.
10 seconds to shoot.
There you go. Delfino. Inside pass. Rodriguez blocks the rebound. Ball goes out of bounds. It will stay with Porac.
Substitution.
77-62. Porac enjoying a 15-point lead. 3:39 in the third quarter. Scoring has picked up immensely in this ballgame. There's Cruz. Baseline drive. Gets it to go. What a third quarter by Cruz, huh? It is 15. 79-62. 3:19 remaining. Baseline drive. No shot in space. Drop pass. Rejected. Rodriguez taps it over. And here's Gigantes, another home run. What a third quarter by Porac. What a third quarter. Porac runs amok. Timeout.
Rodriguez tops it over. And here's Gigantes, another home run. What a third quarter.
So from the 56-point output by Porac, and they already got 81, they have scored 25 points in the third quarter, as compared to LUBAO's only 14. Look at that scoring disparity. Hang time move by Delfino. Oh, how could have missed that open layup? Less than 3 minutes remaining in the third quarter. The lead is 19 for Porac. Comfortably ahead right now. They can chew up the time what they want to. Starter step. Cruz will try for three. It rattles out. Let's see if LUBAO can come back. As Gisante slapped with his third personal foul. Every foul will be free throws. But it has been a magnificent magnum opus performance by Porac, hitting the stride with 25 points. They scored 27 in the first. They scored 29 in the third. And now they scored 26. Very consistent offensive onslaught for Porac. And for LUBAO to win, they should limit Porac to less than 20, but they failed. Split charities. Rusna hits the deck, but it's all right. The lead is back to 18 now. 2:25 remaining in the third quarter. Almost a turnover. Yes. Here's the drive. He failed. Put back. Yes. Pangan scores. And Porac will waste not any time to call a ceasefire. Not to allow any momentum strike. With 2:11 remaining, 81-65. All right, the game story here. Can Porac cruise this victory, or can LUBAO could mount a full-scale uprising? Let's find out. For the next 12 minutes and 11 of this remaining playing time in this ball game. We're still watching live for the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. My name is Ryan Paulo, doing the call for the 6th game of 6. Barreling drive, acrobatic antics. Didn't materialize, but he will get the foul from somebody. That will be Pangan. And Pangan will be called for his 4th personal foul. Just one more and he will be in exile. Tubangi failed to cash in the free throw on that instant. Exactly 2 minutes left in the third quarter. There's a split. 82-65. Manalansan checks out. Montemayor checks in for LUBAO. Less than 2 minutes remaining in this third quarter. 70 to shoot. And a bucket there. And we have a faking a foul warning spotted by the Webs against Tubangi. You can see that on the signal of the referee. 82-67. Baseline drive. Low post play. Cruz has been the catalyst of this 15-point ball. The running shot partially deflected. Shot clock expired. Play continues. Here's LUBAO on a fast break, and it's going to be a foul.
Foul number 23.
Fourth personal on Kapulong.
Warning for foul now.
Two players now for Porac in foul trouble. Vasquez with 4. Kapulong with 4. So the game is not over. It ain't over till it's over, just like the song by Lenny Kravitz. De La Cruz bungled that first free throw. The lead is 15 for Porac. A minute and 17 left, third period. Down to 14 now.
Number
1:16 left, third period. Porac slowly sizing up LUBAO's potential comeback. Almost a steal. The drop. And that's going to be an offensive foul against Tubangi. He's now the third person for Porac who has 4 fouls. So let's review the foul trouble for Porac. Tubangi has 4. Vasquez has 4. Kapulong has 4. For LUBAO, only Pangan who has 4 fouls. And Delfino, despite having 3 fouls in the third quarter, managed to stay afloat with 3. It doesn't go, and it's going to be a foul. And Manalo will be called for his third personal. And so far, we have a lot of fouls for both teams since the first quarter. And both teams beginning to miss from the stripe. (68-82). 68-83. The lead is 15. 37 ticks to go. 3-point shot. That's very important. That's partially deflected. Great defensive stance. Porac always anticipating the outside sniping of LUBAO. Starter step, running shot short. Fierce battle for the letter. LUBAO last it stand on the fast break. And here's Delfino hang time. It's a foul on Rodriguez. And only his third personal for Rodriguez.
third personal foul number 6.
You know why Rodriguez was fouled? Because his feet are under the no charge zone. So if you establish your feet not above but below the no charge zone, the referees will call you a blocking foul. And nandito siya dun sa box. Wala siya dun sa labas. Kaya blocking foul ang tinawag. And Delfino is tired. You can see he's dead tired. He played major minutes in this ball game. But he's looking for his 30th marker tonight. He did it. Offensive rebound. No. Delfino once again. Great space. The hook. Fouled anew. And Gigante, number 0, now has 4 fouls.
0. Hit it on.
But the big development is Delfino hurt his left knee. Look at this. A big blow to the cause of LUBAO. The team captain, the top scorer for LUBAO, hurt his left knee. He's a bit shaken off. He's now trying to shrug it off.
0 out.
And hopefully Delfino will have a much better fourth quarter for him. The handicap will be 15 points under for LUBAO. 3 straight misses from the free throw line. That tells how exhausted Delfino is after a sterling 29-point performance. 30 points for Delfino. 30 points. 5 seconds. 3.4 remaining in the third quarter.
Substitution. Delfino.
Lorico checks in for Delfino. That's much needed rest for Delfino, and he will be back in the next few minutes. 3 seconds remaining. The lob pass inside. Here we go. Lost it. 1 second to go. He needs to put it up. No, he didn't. No, the time is up. Porac 83 and LUBAO 69. We have one more quarter to play to determine who will win this final game or 6-game broadcast. Stay tuned for the climax of your 2023 Delta Cup this Sunday at the BREN Convention Center. So we're come to this 10 minutes of playing time to determine if Porac can boost their way to victory or LUBAO can mount a full-scale uprising. Welcome to the payoff period. 6 game of 6 of our second day of competition of Delta Cup right here live at the BREN Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. My name is Ryan Paro. Hang time move there by Delfino. No soak. Fast break it works for the green shirts. And a bucket there by Cruz. 85-69. 25 seconds gone by this point of final chapter. Banging bodies there. Offensive foul. Give it up.
Number 2.
And Pangan is out of commission.
Number 2. Out.
First person to go on exile in this ball game. That's Pangan. Take a look at this illegal pick. There you go. Uses his belly to ward off his defender. Merion checks in the exile Pangan. Ready the 16 for Porac. 9:27 remaining in the fourth and final quarter. Still on the backcourt. 8-second backcourt violation. Great defensive stance by De Leon. Fresh from the bench. The lead is 16 points. Mathematically possible. They just need to shut down the scoring of Porac. Scoring by quarters. 27 points in the first. 29 points in the second. And 27 points in the third. That's how lethal the scoring Porac is. Ended 83-69. If LUBAO can score 30 plus points and limit Porac to 15 or less, we ain't gonna have a ball game. 9:12 remaining in this basketball game. Rodriguez will inbound for Porac. Cruz spots once again. Cruz has been the X factor for Porac in the second half. He has 14. 3-point shot. Thought about it. Here's the drive. Sneaking inside. He gets the bucket. That's De La Cruz. It's back to 16 now for Porac. 87-71. Just break the press. Here it comes. Drive to the basket. Beautiful, beautiful. Jesante.
Basket count.
91-71. Porac is smelling good in this ball game, but we're still far away. Still in a 30-team bout of basketball ahead of us. 89-71. The drop and the bucket by Dahan. Lead is 16. Full court press being employed by LUBAO. Almost a steal. Rodriguez. Fade away. Nope. And there's LUBAO on a fast break. Delfino once again. Burning rubber. Going all the way. Scoring. And he has 32 points. And there's going to be a foul on the other end of the court. Manalansang was the guilty party. He gets his second personal. Second team foul for Pulao. Second team foul rather. Inbound now for Porac. That's a obvious offensive foul against Porac. Canlas with his second personal. The first team foul for Porac.
Inbound now.
Let's see that again.
Porac.
Boom. That's a obvious De La Cruz now. This is just a 14-point deficit for LUBAO. 3-point shot. No. Pump fake. Release. Anemic. One more serving. That's going to be a foul. And Canlas will be called for his third personal foul.
Number 19. Hit the down. Shot. Third personal foul. Number 19.
Two important free throws for Dahan. We'll take it slow. Back irons the first free throw. Release 14 for LUBAO. Or rather for Porac. Miss both, but they get the ball back. Inside, lost it. Delfino, 9 of the shot clock. And another foul given up. And that's Jesante, fourth personal.
Number 15, warning for foul out. Substitution, 66 out.
Manalang, number 22, checks in back for LUBAO. So this is the battle royale that we're talking about in this final game. Let's see if LUBAO can come back. Back to a cut. No, put back. Yes. Nice play there. De La Cruz with the basket. Reed is down to 12. Another offensive foul.
Foul number 6. Illegal kick.
And Rodriguez
Warning for foul out. Substitution.
will be called for his fourth personal foul. A lot of persons now in dire foul trouble for Porac. Tubangi, Gigante, Rodriguez, the other Gigante, 0 and 15, Vasquez, and Capulo. 6 players from Porac in foul trouble. That could spell the difference. And here's Delfino with a sidestep. Manalang. 6 to shoot. 5 with the shot clock. Here's the drive. Nice bucket. The lead is 10. 7 minutes remaining in this ball game. Battle Royale now. Nerves of steel. Battle of nerves. Here's the drive by Tubangi. Blocked by Dahan. Fast break, it works for LUBAO. And De La Cruz was called for traveling. Costly error there by LUBAO. Remember, this is just a 10-point game from a high of 19. Instant foul given up by Manala, and that is his fourth personal foul.
Warning for foul out. Number 22.
13 foul for LUBAO. They need to be very careful. Backcourt pressure. He gets away. Rodriguez, hang time move. Draws a foul on you. And De La Cruz will record only his first personal. And that's a 14 foul on LUBAO. Again, we're seeing the same scenario that in just a few minutes, both teams will be in penalty situation. Free throws will be a big factor in this long ball game as Rodriguez sinks it 90-79. 6:33 remaining in this highly touted physical and very slightly excruciating game because of a lot of fouls that have been given up. Rodriguez sinks both. The other Manalang, number 11, checks back in, and he has 3 fouls on his arsenal. The lead is back to 12 now for Porac. LUBAO launching a run, and here he goes. Delfino wasted no time, galloping down court. He missed it again. How sorry that miss. And Delfino, that will be his 4th personal foul. And the bad news for LUBAO, they're now in penalty situation. Take a look at this. This is somewhat a frustration foul for Delfino because why he did miss that open layup. And now it's an opportunity on the horizon for Porac to extend its lead even further. As Capulong, who also has 4 fouls, the lead is 12, and he missed. 91-79. And now both teams in team foul trouble. It's going to be a battle of free throws and battle wits from here on in. Both free throws miss. Rebound. Chased by Manalang. De La Cruz has it. The lead is 12. And here's Delfino again. Burning rubber. .34 points for Delfino. Will that be enough? Some pressure defense. Hang time move. No. Rebound. Dahan. Chance now for LUBAO to come back. Delfino once again galloping down court. He was rejected. And Delfino will foul out. Delfino will foul out. Yes. That's it for him. But what a brilliant effort this guy is. And he will be out of the commission now.
Substitution. Number 17, Wardy for Pampanga.
Okay, Delfino. Okay, there's a little mistake. It should be 5 fouls now for Delfino. But the scores table will announce it promptly in just a few moments. Let's wait for the announcement. And Delfino bows out of the game with 34 points. Brilliant effort for Delfino, but probably went down the lane not unless other players from LUBAO could step up in his place. It's a 10-point Porac lead. Timely basket for Capulong. 92-81. Double-digit spread. 11 markers. Split. Rebound. Controlled by the white shirts. Last hit stand now for LUBAO. They're looking for nice drop pass. Nice play. Zita scored a basket. The lead is down to 9. Home springs eternal here for LUBAO. 5:35 remaining this ball game. 10 on the shot clock. Here's the drive. It is a traveling. Great defensive stat there by Tubangi. Manalang and the rest of LUBAO has a slim chance of coming back. This is just a 9-point ball game. Manalang will not elect to take a 3. Instead, Manalang, the other Manalang will take a 3 of his own, and there's going to be a push by Cruz. And that will be his 3rd personal penalty situation for both teams.
Foul number 9, holding foul. Number 9, 3rd personal foul.
So, golden opportunity for Dahan to chop down this 9-point deficit. And again, he failed. 5-17 into the balance in this basketball game. Miss both. Rebound. Still the white shirts. Thought about the three. He drives hard. Nice drop. Again, drive and draw play. Effective. As Zita scores. Chops down the lead to 7. And the pressure in the backcourt. Another foul given up.
Foul number 10.
And Lorico will be called for his first personal foul. Penalty situation.
Second personal foul number 10.
We can see that the tiredness for both teams, especially if they miss free throws, you can tell. Just like this. This guy, Capullo, is exhausted. He played mostly in the second half. And he has 4 fouls as well. This is just a 7-point game. Split. 8-point game. 93-85. 5 minutes remaining in this basketball game. LUBAO still has a golden opportunity. That's a great gutsy drive to the hole. Still get the ball back. Manalang thought about the 3. Another drive inside. Nice drop up again. Nice up fake. He lost it traveling.
It's a traveling game.
He should have taken that shot instead of faking. That could have been an easy basket. You know, those drive and draw plays for LUBAO has been very effective. The lob. Too tight. Cruz 3-point shot. It does not fall. Now, what LUBAO needs to do is to continue their drive and draw supremacy. And here comes Manalang scoring the basket and 1.
Basket count. Foul number 22.
And Vasquez is out of the game with 5 personal fouls. The first casualty for Porac. Let's see that again. Manalang gutsy moment. Foul counted. Hitting the deck. And this is just a 6-point game. Make no mistake about it. LUBAO is no pushover. 3-point lay plus not complete, but they get the ball back. Fresh 14 for the white shirts. And here's the drive once again. The reverse layup works! Lorico gives a spring of life for LUBAO. A 4-point deficit. 89-93. I'm running out of vocal cords in this beautiful basketball game. Rodriguez with a back shot. No. And a rebound controlled by Dahan. A chance now for LUBAO to chop down this lead further. Counter steal on the other hand. And here's the fast break opportunity. Rodriguez, nowhere to go. The pass inside the paint goes! Timely basket by Capulong. They almost got a turnover. Manalang saves it to the wrong party. 6-point game. 6-point game. Turangi says, let's slow down. Turangi looks at the clock. Goes left. Drives hard. Nowhere to go. Turnover.
Number 20 out.
Now those indecisions of LUBAO. If they not forced to dribble, they slow it down. They can go for the drive and draw. Kung hindi nila pipilitin yung mga tira nila, yung minamadali, di ba? All right. LUBAO just within 6. 89-95, approaching the 3-minute mark of this ball game. Here's the drive and draw once again. Up fake, kick out, intercepted. And it is a faking of foul warning now on number 22 of LUBAO. That's Manalang. At the 3-minute mark of this fourth quarter. 95-89. Both teams now had a faking of foul. 2:50 remaining. The spin, the fake. And again, another traveling. Those are the costly errors that both teams have. The big question here, who wants it more? 2:45 remaining in this last game of 6. Here's Manalang drives out to the hole. The hand time works! Cruz with a fourth personal foul. That deserves the second direct. I want to see that replay. How Manalang sliced and diced to this. But we'll save that later. As we have Manalang's golden opportunity to chop down this lead to 3. He does. 95 to 92. Porac has been scoreless for the past a minute and a half. And now LUBAO's turn to play defense. 2:30 remaining. What a climactic finish of Day 2 competition of Delta Cup. Stay tuned, Cabalens. Rodriguez launches a 3 from 25. Short. Rebound. Cruz. Rebound. Cruz gets the offensive foul, and that's it for Cruz. He's out of the game with 5 fouls.
Foul number 9. Offensive foul. Number 9, foul.
Direct, let's see what's the 25. Short. Contact of Cruz. Yes. He won off his elbow, very clear. Good call by the refs. Good call by the refs. 2 and 15 remaining in the balance. Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you to this Twilight Zone. The epilogue of this battle. As we have the last 2-minute warning. And a steal. And there's a foul. There's a foul.
Foul number 10.
Norico's second personal.
10. Third personal foul.
Last 2 minutes.
Team are penalty situation 1 minute and 58 seconds.
Jesante with 4 fouls. Keep in mind, Porac has 2 players already out of commission. In exile, that's Cruz and Vasquez. On the other hand, for LUBAO, Pangan and Delfino, their main man, is also out. But this is just a 3-point game. Jesante, well under pressure. One more free throw for Jesante. Split. 96-92. Here we go. Manala brings down the basketball now for the white shirts. LUBAO now has the basketball. Here's number 22. He fires a 3-point shot from top of the key. Got it! Gotsi drive there. Gotsi basket there by Manala. 96-95. Porac now with the leader at 1:45. Porac now with the leader. Number 11. Tupangi has the leader on the right side of the court. There's a pick by Body right last. Number 11. Manala rather. Here's Tupangi. Lays it up and in. He lays it up and in. 98-95 now. 1:36. LUBAO with the possession now. Slow down sent home by Manalang. Manalang will bring up court in 8-second line. LUBAO signaling play number 5. There's a pick provided by number 29. Manalang with a 3-point shot. He got it again. Time table 98. Time table 98. A minute and 23 remaining. Tubangi now brings down the leader for Porac. This is a battle of wits. Battle of strides. Tubangi now. Top of the key area. 14 seconds on the shot clock. The crowd is standing. Pick provided by Jujante. Goes left. Tubangi has the leader. Shot clock winding down at 8. Tubangi with a spin. Block. Tubangi fade away. No. Para for the rebound. A chance out for LUBAO to take the lead. A minute remaining. It's the long pass. That is taken away. Got to see by Porac. Porac has the leader. Rodriguez top of the key. On to the drive. One on the shot. No. Para for the rebound. Rodriguez has it. Nice up pick. Inside. Got it.
Foul.
100-98. Delta Cup basketball at its best. I am saving the best for last in this broadcast. 3-point play in the offing. Now, rebound by LUBAO. They had just a 2-point game. 41 seconds. And here's Manala. Brings down the leader. Manala goes left. 17 to shoot. On the outside, De La Cruz. 15 to shoot. Here's Manala, who has been hot. 3-point shot once again for Manala. He got it again! Manalang, jersey number 22, 9 points. In absence of Espino, look at this.
Once again for Manala. He got it.
The nerves of steel 3-point bomb explosion by Manala on the last 32 seconds of this game. And Porac now sues for time. Both teams have one more time at the call, and both teams in penalty. And yours truly, Ryan Paro, I want to thank the God Almighty, because this type of broadcast and this type of games that I truly love, that strength, that voice, and that description on how basketball game and how passionate the Filipino fans is all about from all across the globe, Luzon, besides Mindanao and other OFWs. That's what you call passion in Philippine basketball. Now, important possession for Porac. They're down by a point. 14 on the shot clock. Egante will now inbound. I want to stand right now. I want to stand. Here we go. Number 11 now has the letter. That's a Tubangi. It's Egante. 3-point shot on its way. Right aside. Bottom of the rebound. Still has it. Rodriguez. 23 seconds ago. Rodriguez tried. The physical shot won't work. Bottom of the rebound. And Manala has it. They need to foul. 15 seconds ago. Still in the backcourt. Almost take a steal. And here's number 24, Sita, triple team. And a steal. 9 seconds ago. Porac can win it. Rodriguez on the right side. 5 seconds ago. They got the lets it blow. Yes! .8 of a second. The game is not yet over. The game is not yet over. Coach Tipcon, if you're watching this ball game, this is your exact description. What a comeback from a comeback. I repeat again, Coach Tipcon, if you're listening, I'm going to say it again. What a comeback from a comeback. Now, game reset. Both teams in penalty. Let's see that again. 3-point bomb exploded by Rodriguez with 4 fouls. This will be a catch and shoot situation. If they catch and shoot from 3-point country for the win, if they catch it, shoot it from the baseline or for the 2-pointer, could it be a tie? Here we go. One more shot for LUBAO. Here's a quick release. He stops on the line. He's got it. He's got it. Is that counted? They're going to review. They're going to review this particular shot because his feet is almost out of bounds. Derek, I want to see the replay. I want to see the replay. Once again, can we have an angle from the backcourt? Yes, can we have an angle on the backcourt from the baseline, because that's where the important thing is. Here we go. Here's the shot. Well, one more time. Greg, can we have a review from the baseline? Can we have a review from the baseline from that last attempt? Can we have a review from the baseline? Can we have a review? Isa pa. Sa baseline, direct. Sa baseline. Para makita na referee kung meron tayong infraction. Here we go. Tingnan natin ha. Sige. Slow it. Slow it. Alright. The referees will decision on that attempt. Okay. The referees will decide. The referees will decide what will be the outcome. Okay, we haven't made an official decision yet from the referees. Let's wait for the official decision of the referees. What will be the outcome? So the referees will huddle together with Commissioner Leo Isaac. So, let's wait for the decision. This is not yet final. Binibitin namin kayo because they're now talking on that last shot. The referees will decide. Hindi pa tayo tapos. Pero itong white shirts ay nagse-celebrate na. Okay. Direk, anong decision ng referees? Well, let's wait for it. Okay. Let's wait for the signal of the referees. Because probably meron tayong ano dyan. Okay, nakikita natin sa huddle on the center court ng referees. They will decide. Ayan, kakausapin nila yung official kung ano magiging desisyon nila. Alright, we need to know. Again, the decision is not yet final. We need to confirm to the referees what will be the official execution. All right. Okay, one referee is now checking with the official. Let's review that again one last time. Who made that buzzer beater? Because he is our best player.
Tingnan nyo sa review, nakaline. Yung tinignan yung oras, pero nakaline ball siya. Sa review, pati yung mga taong nanonood, nakikita eh.
Okay, we have a discussion now with the referees on that last bit of action.
Yung tinignan yung pag-shoot eh, pero yung line, yung tinignan. Patignan natin oh.
Again, the score, the final score is what? 104 to 103, no? We will wait for the official tabulation. Direct, let's review again on that last play. Who is the best player? Because we will interview him. And we will have the announcement very shortly. Direct, pa-review natin yung huling play, ha? Para makita natin. On that winning shot with 0.8 of a second to go. We'll have one last review. Alright, Direct, let's review. Let's review one last time, please. Let's review. Let's review one last time. Kasi hindi pa official. Okay, here we go. 0.8 of a second. Here's the inbound. Eto. Sige, i-roll pa natin Direct. Roll it very slowly. So, okay. What will be the decision of the refs? They're gonna whistle right now. One last time from the review. Okay, we're still waiting for the announcement. We're still waiting for the announcement. the official announcement from the referee. The referees will decide what will be the outcome. And the referee still talking each other. Kahit na empty ang arena, hanggang hindi pa po official, hindi pa natin yan i-announce. Kasi from that instant replay, the referees will decide if that basket will not count. Let's wait for the decision of our referees. What will be their final decision? One last time, eto. Ulitin natin para sa benefit of the viewers. Here's the attempt. He steps on the line probably. Probably lang ha, pero the release of that ball in time, buzzer beater, but the referees will decide who will win in this contest. Pati pa naman tong huling laro na to is anticlimactic. Nag-uusap pa rin mga kaibigan na referees. Let's see that again. They're now talking to the league officials of Delta Cup. This is a very close call, because ito ang mangyayari, no? The final score is 104-103, panalo sana yung LUBAO, but if the referees will wait off that count, it will be 101-103. So aantayin natin yung official announcement ngayon ng referees. Hindi namin tatapusin basta ang broadcast hanggat hindi malinaw ang official call ng referees on that last 0.8 of a second clock. At ngayon nag-uusap po ang PORAC, nag-uusap po ang LUBAO. Ano ang magiging outcome? Nakakabitin pa rin ang broadcast. So, let's just wait. What will be the signal of our referees right now? We are still waiting for the final decision. Hanggat hindi po pumipito ng referee, we will not deem official. Okay, they're now talking to the coaches of LUBAO. Okay, the coaches from LUBAO will now have a chance to review this 0.8 of a second remaining. Again, hindi pa po tayo tapos sa broadcast. We are still awaiting it's counted or not. Ang ginagawa ngayon ng referees, binibigyan ng pagkakataon na i-challenge ng LUBAO from that instant replay kung sila ay mag-a-agree, because from that last instant, makikita natin yung player na yan, he stepped on the line. Ladies and gentlemen, it's official! It went off! They went it off! PORAC wins! PORAC wins! The final score, 103 PORAC, 101 LUBAO! Wow! It doesn't get any better than this! Referees officially not counted. And the best player for PORAC will be Rodriguez, who hit that 3 on the last instant. My goodness. Wow. Wow. We're going to wrap this baby up in a moment. Mga kaibigan, we have witnessed one of the greatest games in Delta Cup history. Not counted po yung huling tira ng Lubao. The final score 103-101. Nanalo po ang nakakalimutan ko yung team. Porac. Grabe itong larong ito. Rodriguez, tell us something about that big three na natin naitira mo.
Yun nga po, hindi naman po talaga namin expect na tatalunin namin yung Lubao kasi nga sabi nga nila sistemado sila, talagang magkakasama na sila noon pa. Pero sabi ko nga sa team ko, puso, halos lahat ng mga teammate ko, 17, 18 years old, pero lumaban sila ng may puso, naniwala sila sa sistema namin, sa training namin, yun lang. At alam kong malayo pa yung tatahagin namin, pero as a team and sa mga coaches namin, patuloy kaming mag-prepare para kahit papano makasabay kami sa mga malalakas na team, yun lang.
Anong pakiramdam na yung huling tira na yon naipasok, stepping on the line and the referee says not counted?
Nung una, syempre frustrated ako kasi we did our best talaga eh. Kitang-kita naman simula first hanggang third quarter, hanggang fourth quarter, hindi kami bumitaw. Talagang kahit pagod na, kailangan namin tumayo. Pero sabi ko nga sa kanila, lumaban na kami, nagpakapagod na kami. So, bigay na namin hanggang dulo, yun lang.
And I want to commend both teams, Lubao and Porac, to played one of the greatest games dito sa Delta Cup. Ito na ang pagkakataon mo, Mr. Rodriguez. Nababate!
Wait lang. Wait mo. Ano po ulit? Ang galing mo!
Okay, pwede ka na bumate.
Yun lang, gusto ko lang bumati sa pamilya ko, sa Valdivor family. Salamat sa inyo kasi pumunta pa kayo kay tita ko para lang itibigas. Tapos, shoutout nga rin pala sa mga coaches ko and teammates ko sa Golden Guardians, Ole Angel. Kasi kahit pa paano sinuportahan nyo ko. Shoutout nga pala sa nanay ko. Ito, napakaganda. Sinusuportahan ako dito. And lastly, salamat sa Rodriguez family din na sumusuporta sa akin. And kay Trisha, yan. Salamat sa pagsuporta. Love you.
Nakasalamat kay kayo, Rodriguez. Thank you so much for the best player po. Well, that wraps up our 6-game broadcast. We saved the best for last, and we hope our Cabarens in for a Sunday treat. In behalf of yours truly, in behalf of all the men and women of Delta Cup, Commissioner Leo Siak, Chairman Rocky Chan, and the D&D team, kasama si Direk Adri Alejo, Balong, and the other staff here. This is your commentator, Ryan Paro, saying, sports is life. Always use this for the glory of God. This has been your Delta Cup 2023 from San Fernando, Pampanga, the BREN Convention Center. Dakal salamat kay kayo. Maya pabingi po. Maraming salamat. God bless and good night.